There is no better way to ensure long-term physical stability and immunity than incorporating these into your diet. Proteins are large molecules responsible for almost every major function in the body. They build muscle, boost immunity, play a role in the synthesis of hormones, and even may help with weight management. Proteins are made of several amino acids majorly categorized as non-essential and essential. While the non-essential amino acids can be synthesized in the body, the essential amino acids cannot be. Hence, it is important to consume foods high in these amino acids. In this video, you will learn about some of the best sources of essential amino acids, their benefits, and the potential side effects of taking them as supplements. Keep reading. Essential amino acids and their types. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Amino acids and proteins influence some of the major functions in your body and are responsible for effectively maintaining muscle, bone, and other lean tissues. As many as 20 amino acids make up the body proteins. Amino acids are classified as essential, non-essential, and conditional. Dr. Sanjay Shwaig, MD, the founder of the California Center for Functional Medicine, says 9 of the 20 essential amino acids are nutritionally indispensable, meaning our body cannot make them. These are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. We have to get them from our food. An additional 6 essential amino acids are considered conditionally indispensable. Although the body can make these from other amino acids, they are insufficient. Hence, these amino acids likely need to come from dietary sources. The final 5 amino acids are nutritionally dispensable, says Dr. Shwaig. Essential amino acids can easily be supplied to your body through food and supplements. But which foods are high in them? Dietary sources of amino acids. Almost all foods have protein. This protein is broken down to supply your body with the essential amino acids. The easiest way to get these amino acids is through seafood, as it contains easy-to-digest protein. However, Dr. Shwaig suggests that seafood must be interspersed with other meats as well for better results. He recommends the following foods for each of the amino acids. Animal protein has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. However, most plant proteins are incomplete. You have to consume a variety of plant proteins to get all the essential amino acids. You can also follow complementation, where you match a certain food low in an amino acid with another food high in that specific amino acid. Examples include complementing grains and legumes, grains and dairy, or legumes and seeds. In terms of food, this could mean having lentil soup with whole wheat rolls, spinach salad with beans and sunflower seeds, or crisp bread with low-fat cottage cheese. Studies recommended a protein intake of 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for adults under the age of 65. The foods mentioned above can be broadly classified into 7 categories. 1. Seafood. Fish like herrings, mackerels, mahi-mahi, salmon, and other shellfish are usually great sources of protein. Eating seafood is beneficial for overall health as it contains omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, iodine, high potassium, and low sodium concentrations, vitamins D, E, and B12, and taurine. Besides, seafood intake may help maintain heart and brain health. 2. Lean meats. Chicken, beef, turkey, and tenderloin are important sources of protein. They provide your body with selenium, vitamins B3 and B6, and choline. Lean meats may also help reduce weight as they have fewer calories than full meats. Intake of poultry meat may also help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes. 3. Low-fat dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and other dairy products are extremely rich in amino acids, calcium, riboflavin, potassium, magnesium, vitamins A and B12, zinc, and choline. Dairy products may help build strong bones and muscle and maintain blood pressure as they are rich in calcium. 4. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein. Copper, iron, iodine, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and zinc. There are a total of 550 distinct proteins in the egg white and yolk. Besides, they have antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Egg white protein was also found to improve muscle strength and increase immune cell activities. Moreover, a moderate intake of eggs was shown to lower the risk of cardiovascular disease among Asians. 5. Legumes. Legumes like green peas, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are the best protein sources if you are on a plant-based diet. Black-eyed peas, cannellini, cranberry, and beans like Great Northern, kidney, lima, mung, navy, pinto, and soybeans can be the perfect addition to your dishes. These legumes help control blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol and high blood pressure. These functions, in turn, help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 6. Grains. Grains provide your body with proteins and most of the essential vitamins and minerals. Studies suggest that dietary whole grain intake may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and colorectal, pancreatic, and gastric cancers. The findings recommend a daily whole grain intake of 2 to 3 servings. Whole grains also contain dietary fiber that can help reduce cholesterol, improve gut health, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Nuts and seeds. Pumpkin, chia, flax, sesame, poppy, and sunflower seeds provide essential amino acids. They are also rich in calcium, manganese, magnesium, potassium, plant iron and zinc, and dietary fiber. As a result, they may help reduce cholesterol, maintain blood pressure, and may reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, pistachios, pine nuts, pecans, hazelnuts, and macadamias have a similar nutritional profile as the seeds mentioned above. Besides, they are high in monounsaturated fatty acids and have phytochemicals with antioxidant properties. All these foods help your body get the essential amino acids naturally. However, you can also consider taking supplements.